How to lock your LeeStat. Welcome to the Lee Company mobile app tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to lock your LeeStat to limit the temperature adjustments made by other users. Our system gives you the ability to set up time and temperature parameters for your LeeStat unit, which you can lock once preset. To set this feature, click on the Change Settings tab and swipe to the third menu screen. Click on the Lock Mode function to set up your preferences and user rights for each specific LeeStat unit. Click the information icon for more details on this feature. You can set a 4-digit PIN code to fully lock the unit, limiting access to other users. If you want to give users in the space the ability to adjust the temperature within a few degrees, you can tap Locked and change the security adjustment range from 0 to 5 degrees higher or lower than the preset preferences. We recommend using the Absolute setting in Adjustment Options. Please remember to save if you make any changes. The LeeStat will prompt you to save your changes if you forget. If you have any questions, please email virtual.support@leecompany.com. Thank you for choosing Lee Company.